Hello student, we start chapter 10 JEE question number 47. If U bar, V bar and W bar are non-coplanar vectors and PQ belongs to R, then box 3U PV PW minus box PV PV W QU minus box 2W QV QU equal to 0 is true for dash value of P and Q, right? This is 2009 JEE question. So first of all here 3U bar, PV bar, PW bar minus PV W QU minus 2W bar QV bar QU bar is equal to 0. Now we are taking this P common from these two rows. So we have P square and 3 is also common. So 3P square U bar, V bar, W bar minus P and Q common from first and third row PQ, which is V bar, W bar and U bar minus 2Q square is common, W bar, V bar and U bar. Now here we want to make this box is same. So here when we interchange in 2 times, then this become U bar, V bar, W bar. 3P square U bar, V bar, W bar minus PQ, U bar, V bar and W bar. Means here 2 times if we interchange these rows, then we get this answer. So ultimately no change in sign. Now here only 1 time we interchange this U bar and W bar, then only 1 change is there. So therefore it become positive. 2Q square U bar, V bar and W bar is equal to 0. Now we take this U bar, V bar, W bar is common. So we have U bar, V bar, W bar in second box 3P square minus PQ plus 2Q square is equal to 0. But since U bar, V bar, W bar are non-coplanar, so we cannot take this equal to 0. So only 3P square minus PQ plus 2Q square equal to 0, since U bar, V bar, W bar is not equal to 0 according to they are non-coplanar. Now when we take the delta means discriminant, then it is B square minus 3 to 6, 24 minus 23 less than 0. So generally the real root of this P and Q is not obtained, or PQ is not obtained other than P and Q both are 0. Therefore only for P equal to 0, Q equal to 0, this equation is true, right? Therefore PQ is equal to 0, 0, then this statement is true, otherwise it is not. So therefore there are only P is 0 and Q is 0, then this statement is true. This is 2009 JEE question. So be careful for this type of question, right? Now we go for the next one. Next sum, if 48, if A bar is equal to J minus K and C bar equal to I minus J minus K and B bar is a vector for which A cross B plus C equal to 0 and A dot B equal to 3, then B bar is equal to dash. This is 2010 JEE question, and here I put this option because from this option we obtain the answer. First of all, here A bar is equal to 0, 1 minus 1, and C bar is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1, and B bar is, we let PQR, right? So now here A cross B, first we find A cross B, which is R plus Q, then minus P, and then minus P. And now A bar cross B bar plus C bar is equal to R plus Q minus P plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, R plus Q plus 1 minus P minus 1 and minus P minus 1 is equal to 0 bar. Okay, and therefore R plus Q plus 1 is equal to 0. P minus 1 is 0, it means P equal to minus 1. Now from this P equal to minus 1, if you see here I is minus, so only this can be true for the given one. If we put R and Q plus 1, then it is 0. If we put R equal to 1, Q equal to minus 2, then R plus Q plus 1 equal to 1 minus 2 plus 1, it is 0. So this statement is also true. So we can say that our answer is D. B bar is equal to minus I plus J minus 2K. So sometimes it is good from the good that we find the answer from the given data, right? Some will help you, some step will help you, but sometimes this answer is very easily found from the option, right? So this way we can find our answer. Now we go for the next one. 49 sum. If A bar is equal to I minus J plus 2K, B bar is 2I plus 4J plus K, and C bar is equal to lambda I plus J plus mu K are mutually perpendicular vectors, then mu and lambda, or lambda and mu is equal to dash. This is 2010 J double equation. So first of all, here A bar is equal to 1 minus 1 2, B bar is 2 4 1, and C bar is equal to lambda 1 mu. Now A bar is perpendicular to B bar is perpendicular to C bar, and C bar is perpendicular to A bar. Therefore, A dot B is 0, which is obvious. B dot C is 0, and C dot A is equal to 0. We just take this two. B dot C is equal to 0. It means 2 4 1 plus dot lambda 1 mu is equal to 0. It means 2 lambda plus 4 plus mu is equal to 0. This is our result 1. Same way, C dot A means A and C. C dot A is equal to 0. Therefore, lambda 1 mu dot 1 minus 1 2 equal to 0. Therefore, we get another result is equal to 0. Second result. From first and second, if we eliminate the from first and from 1 and 2, if we eliminate this 1 and 2, then we have lambda is equal to minus 3 and mu is equal to 2, right? So here when you multiply with 2 and multiply by 2 with any one equation and then subtract them, you get your answer. Lambda is minus 3, mu is 2. Therefore, lambda and mu is equal to minus 3 and 2. So this way we can obtain this answer. If you put here this value, then also you can find the same answer. Barabar? So minus 3 and 4. So you get your answer. Okay. Then we go for the next one. Next sum 50th. If a line AB in a space makes 45 degree with x-axis, 120 degree with y-axis, then which angle makes two positive z-axis? This is 2010 JEE question. So here line makes alpha 45 degree, beta 120 degree with x, y axis. Therefore, we know that cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. It means cos square pi by 45 degree, cos square 120 degree, cos square gamma equal to 1 by 2 plus cos 120 is 2 pi by 3, 1 by 4 plus cos square gamma is 1. Cos square gamma 1 minus 3 by 4, it is 1 by 4. So cos gamma is either plus or minus 1 by 2. Therefore gamma is either pi by 3 or 2 pi by 3, means 60 degree or 120 degree. But when we take positive degree or positive axis, then 60 degree is our answer. Therefore our final answer is 60 degree with z axis, means line makes 60 degree with the positive z axis. Okay, so this way we can complete this sum. It is quite easy. Now we go for the next one. (51) sum. If a bar is equal to 1 upon root 10, 3i plus k, b bar is equal to 1 by 7, 2i plus 3j minus 6k, then 2a bar minus b bar dot a cross b cross a plus b a plus 2b is equal to dash. This is 2010 question. So here first of all 2a bar minus b bar dot a cross b cross a plus 2b is equal to 2a bar minus b bar dot. Now here we applying the cross multiplication for three vectors, then it is a bar dot a bar plus 2b bar into b bar minus a bar b bar dot a bar plus 2b bar into a bar, right? So now 2a bar minus b bar dot, here we take a bar dot a bar plus a bar dot 2b bar into b bar minus here we have b bar dot a bar plus 2 b bar dot b bar into a bar, right? Now we just simplify it. It is 2 a bar minus b bar dot mod a square plus 2a dot b into b bar minus a dot b plus 2 mod b square into a bar. Now here we multiply this a bar with bracket, then we have 2 a bar dot b bar in bracket mod a square plus 2a dot b minus mod b square into bracket mod a square plus 2a dot b minus a dot b plus 2 mod b square and then 2 mod a square minus a dot b. Now here we just simplify 2a dot b minus mod b square minus mod b square mod a square minus 2 a dot b mod b square minus a dot b into 2 mod a square plus a dot b into a dot b mod b square, then minus 4 mod a square mod b square minus 2 mod b square into a dot b. Now we just simplify, then we have the answer that it is 5 minus 5 mod a square mod b square, right? When we get this answer, now we directly put minus 5 mod a is equal to, here we place the value, it is 1. Okay, so it is 1, and mod b is also 1. Therefore minus 5 is answer, because of mod a is equal to 1 upon root 10 root 3 plus 9, 9 plus 1, it is 1, and mod b is equal to 1 by 7 root 4 plus 9 plus 36 is also 1. So this way we can obtain our answer is minus 5. Okay, this sum is quite lengthy and quite hard. Okay, means complicated sum is there. Now we go for the next one. 42 question. If a bar is not perpendicular to b bar, and for c bar and d bar b cross c equal to b cross d, and a dot d is equal to 0, then d bar is equal to dash. This is 2011 question. So here first of all it is given that b bar cross c bar is equal to b bar cross d bar. Now we take the dot product of a bar both the side. A bar dot b bar cross c bar is equal to a bar dot b bar cross d bar. Now we take the process that here we want to take the cross product of, not dot product, but we take the cross product. Now we applying here the cross product of 3 vectors. So we have a dot b, a dot c into b bar minus a dot b into c bar is equal to a dot d into b bar into b bar minus a dot b into d bar. A dot d into b bar minus a dot b into d bar. Okay, so now here when you simplify, a dot d is equal to 0. This becomes 0 because it is given. So we have a dot c b bar minus a dot b into c bar is equal to minus a dot b into d bar. Okay, so this result is obtained. Now what we can say, we are taking the term with C bar and D bar with together. So we have A dot C into B bar is equal to A dot B and here C bar minus D bar is there. Now we take this A dot B in denominator of this, so we have A dot C into B bar upon A dot B is equal to C bar minus D bar. Now we interchange these two terms, then D bar is equal to C bar minus A dot C upon A dot B into B bar. So this is our answer, that D bar is equal to C bar minus A dot C upon A dot B into B bar, right? Now we go for the next one. 53 question. If Pi plus J plus K, comma, I plus Qj plus K and I plus J plus Rk are coplanar, then PQR minus P plus Q plus R equal to dash. This is 2011 revision test, JEE test. Here Pi, or we just take P11, 1Q1 and 11R are coplanar. Therefore we can say that P11, 1Q1, 11R equal to 0. Now we just simplify QR minus 1 minus 1, R minus 1 plus 1, 1 minus Q equal to 0. Therefore PQR minus P minus R plus 1 minus Q equal to 0. It means PQR minus P plus R plus Q is equal to minus 2, or we can say that PQR minus P plus Q plus R equal to minus 2. So our answer is minus 2, right? So this way we can obtain this answer. Okay.